Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show how to find Instagram live videos. A lot of people love watching live content on Instagram. So let's start. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and your app is updated to the latest version. This is important because older versions may not show some live-related features properly. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the search icon. This will take you to the Explore page. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and then type in hashtag live videos or even just live. Using hashtags is a smart way to find accounts that are either currently live. If you search, you'll see several tabs like top, accounts, tags, places, and more. What you want to do is switch to the Accounts tab. This shows you a list of Instagram profiles that are connected to live content. These might be pages that go live often or have live in their usernames or are associated with live video communities. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want me to cover other Instagram features.